Hi guys, haven't done one of these for a couple of months. We've done up to number 11, so next on the list is number 12, electronic safecracking. So I will sit down and see how we get on. Number 9 to 138. It'll take me a while to remember everything. 138. 938 to 141. 10 to 41. Might take me a little while to get back into the rhythm of this. 10 to 41 to 44. I didn't read what this circuit was supposed to do. It said electronic safecracking. 44 to 175. Hmm. 31 to 71. There. 31 to 71 to 79. 94. 32 to 46. It's on the transformer. 32, 46, 46 to 167, up there. It's going to be a red one, I think. Oh no, won't reach. $46 to 167. Okay, that's a key, that one. 42 to 43. 43 to 89. 89 to 91. 45. That one to 93. That's going to be a blue one. $93 to $95. $47 to $80. There. $47 to $80. $80 to $96. $48 to $90. A bit too tight. $48 to $90 to $137. $90 to $137. Oops. $90 to $137. $49 to $92. $49 to $92 to $139. Up to there. Another red one, I should think. 139, 92. Okay. 55. Over there, battery to 81. There. That's going to be a blue one as well, I think. $55 to $81 to $72. $72. $51. 57 to 58. 57 to 58. 60 to 168. It's going to have to be a blue one. '60 to 168, 140 to 176, 176, 140. Is blue long enough for that? Not quite. 140. 140 to 176. Ah, earphone. Right, that's it. What happens? Turn the control knob clockwise until you hear a click to switch it on. Yep. Press down on the key. And we hear a noise. Press the key again, and you'll notice the sound is either louder or quieter. Readjust the control knob and press the key again, and do it until the sound disappears. Disappeared as soon as I touched it. What happened there? Sound suddenly stopped completely. It was working. Right, buzzing again. Right, it stopped buzzing. When you find that point, congratulations, you've won. That's it. Well, I'm going to have to put the microphone up here so you can hear it. So it's on the wireless microphone. You have to do it until it stops. And that was it. Yeah, okay. That wasn't terribly exciting, to be honest. But that's it. Job done. Number 12. Finished. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.